Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be reviewing the remarkable Doogee S100 all-terrain smartphone, which is truly an exceptional device. It boasts the fastest 5G chipset currently available on the market, along with a whopping 20GB of RAM, an impressive 120Hz screen, a flagship level 180MP camera, an enormous 10,800 mAh battery, and numerous other impressive features. Be sure to watch this Doogee S100 video review. So let's start with unboxing. The S100 is delivered in this vibrant yellow package. Without further ado, let's open the box and see what's inside. On the top of the package we have a S100 phone, which we'll set aside for this moment. Now let's examine the other items that comes with it. There is a user manual with the warranty card, screen protector, accessories, and additional screen protector. It's worth noting that the smartphone comes with the built-in protector right out of the box. We also have this black USB-C charging cable. Last but not least, we have a 66-watt fast charger capable of rapidly charging this massive 10,800 mAh battery of the S100. Alright, now that we've gone through the contents of this box, let's shift our focus to the smartphone itself. The Doogee S100 has a sturdy, robust feel when you hold it in the hand, which exudes strength and durability. In terms of design, the back of the S100 is crafted from ecologically friendly black leather, providing a luxurious aesthetic and a pleasant experience. It's worth mentioning that the phone also comes in two other colors besides black, which are cyber yellow and icy blue color variants. Moving on the physical features of the phone, the right side of the device boasts a sleek black steel frame which houses three buttons. Two of these buttons are used to adjust the volume, while the third button serves as both as the power off-on switch and the fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you will find a SIM microSD tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM TF card, as well as this programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions within the phone or install applications, and can be activated via single click, double click on long press. Lastly, at the bottom of the phone we have a USB-C charging port, which is protected by a plastic cap that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproofing rating. This smartphone boasts exposed screws on its sides and beneath the rear camera lenses, which not only adds to its sturdy appearance but also provides secure attachment for its external components. In terms of sound, the S100 is equipped with 4 speaker grills, 2 of which are located on the top and the other 2 on the bottom, housing a pair of active speakers that deliver stereo sound. The front-facing camera with face-unlock function adopts a compact water drop design, taking up a minimal space on the screen surface. As for the display, the S100 comes with an impressive 6.58-inch FHD Plus 120Hz screen that boasts a resolution of 2480 by 1080 pixels. The IPS panel produces rich and vibrant colors, with a range of 16.7 million colors. While it's not quite on a par with OLED screens, it still provides exceptional quality. The screen is high durable thanks to the Gorilla Glass 5 coating and has a brightness of 480 nits, ensuring clear visibility in all light conditions. It is primarily designed to be a usable and robust screen, and it delivers on both fronts. The Doogee S100 boasts an impressive camera setup featuring 4 cameras in total, 3 at the rear and 1 for selfies. At the forefront it is primary camera, which boasts staggering 180 megapixel sensor producing images of exceptional quality with remarkable details. Thanks to its advanced AI post-processing capabilities, you can expect nothing less than the top-notch photos. Alongside the primary camera sits a 20 megapixel Sony night camera, special designed for low light environments, ensuring you never miss a moment even in dim lighting conditions. Completing the trio of the back, it's 60 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 130-degree field of view, perfect for capturing those sweeping landscape shots. As for selfies, the front-facing camera was a 32 megapixel Sony IMX660 sensor, guaranteeing you capture picture-perfect selfies ready for sharing on social media. In terms of video recording, all four cameras on the S100 are capable of capturing videos in 2K resolution, with additional support for 1080 pixel, 720 pixel and 480 pixel recording as varying frame rates. Additionally, the infrared night vision camera can also capture monochrome 2K videos. To get a feel for the camera performance, check out our sample photos and videos taken by using the S100. Let's start with performance. The Doogee S100 runs on the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. Built on 6nm technology process, it comes with advanced energy efficiency and it's currently the fastest 5G chipset on the market. With its 8 cores, it's perfect balance between power efficiency and performance. As for the memory setup, the S100 comes with a precedented 12GB of base RAM. This is the biggest amount of RAM of any rugged phone currently on the market. And it gets better because using the extended RAM feature it can reach 20GB of RAM. For storage, this S100 comes with a capacity of 256GB of fast UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2TB for extra storage space. This phone offers exceptional performance and its focus on multi-day use makes it stand out from the other smartphones, with a range of specifications and features that is unmatched by any other devices. User's experience is truly remarkable. For passionate gamers, this phone is a dream come true. It effortlessly handles even the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, delivering top-notch performance at the highest settings. With its powerful hardware and unique 7-dimensional graphene film cooling system, the Doogee S100 efficiently manages its temperature to prevent overheating. In addition, the phone's colossal 10,800 mAh battery ensures hours of uninterrupted gaming. So if you're a gamer who enjoys playing the latest titles, the phone is definitely worth considering. That much power is capable of delivering 70.5 hours tracking hours of the streaming, 55 hours of call and playing music continuously for 43 hours of a single charge. The 66-watt charger bundled with the S100 can charge it up to 60% in just half an hour. The S100 runs on the latest pure Android 12 OS and comes with all Google applications. In addition, it has some useful pre-installed applications such as a System Manager Optimizer and a toolbox which can be essential in certain field situations. The device also supports NFC, which is Google Pay compatible, and a GPS with 4 satellites. The sound is provided by a stereo certified high-res audio speaker configuration. The Doogee S100 has IP68 and IP69K rating, which means it can be survive being submerged in the water in depth of 1.5 meters, so up to 30 minutes, and it resistens to dust and water ingress. It also passes the military standard microSD 810H, which tests the device's durability in extreme environments. Over the past couple of years, her rugged smartphones have made a significant strides in terms of both design and specifications. The Doogee S100 is a prime example of this. With its impressive 10,800 mAh battery, you can go on hikes for multiple days without worrying about charging your phone. Furthermore, the phone charges very quickly with a large battery, reaching a full charge in just over an hour. The Doogee S100 comes with a variety of certifications including IP68, IP69K, microSD 810H and others, making it an incredibly durable device that is resistant to water, dust and pressure. The phone also features a range of lenses that work in conjunction with MediaTek SOC artificial intelligence, ensuring that you will be able to take great photos. The phone's LCD screen is one of the best on the market with 120Hz FHD Plus resolution and Corning Gorilla 5th generation protective glass, making it both stunning and robust. The processor, the MediaTek Helio G99 with 12 GB of physical RAM, expandable up to 20 GB virtually, is the fastest chipset available, providing excellent performance even during demanding games and daily activities like browsing, messaging, calling and social media use. In addition, the Doogee S100 boasts phenomenal cameras, high-resolution stereo speakers, a premium design and incredible 10,800 mAh battery that provides up to 4 days of battery life. With all these features, Doogee has expertly crafted a smartphone that is well suited for the harsh environments without significant usability. If you are interested in purchase of the Doogee S100, official sales links are available below this video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of this promotional pricing available now. Hurry up and get your new Doogee S100 today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.